Here's someone who wants to know how to dispose of kitchen oil, cooking oil. Well, for myself, I don't use that much cooking oil. Just a little bit every once in a while. But the few times I have a lot of grease in the pan and I want to get rid of it, number one, don't pour it down the sink. You want the plumber to come out and unplug your sink. Start pouring food down the sink, oil down the sink. If I've got a lot of oil, I'll find a place in the grass to pour it. Yes, pour it in the grass. It won't kill the grass. You get rid of the oil. If you're in an apartment, you can't pour it in the grass. Put it in a bottle and put it in the trash.